What does priority really mean? It's a term we use daily, but do we truly understand its significance? According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, priority is defined as the fact of being earlier in time or more important. This suggests that priority is about identifying and focusing on the most crucial tasks. A Harvard Business Review study found that individuals who effectively prioritize their tasks are 25% more productive. This is because they're able to devote their time and energy to the most impactful activities. Imagine having a to-do list a mile long. Without prioritizing, it can be overwhelming and lead to procrastination. But when you focus on the truly important tasks, you can make significant progress. So, the next time you feel like you're drowning in tasks, take a step back. Identify your priorities and allocate your time accordingly. It's the key to unlocking your full potential.